Leo Alvarenga here with Good Story. I wanted to bring you a quick market update for the month of May 23. For the month of May 23, we saw actually an increase in the amount of sales compared to last year. An increase of actually 6%, which means the market is definitely heating up for the month of May 2023. So for the month of May, we saw the first year-over-year increase in the volume of sales since February of 2022, which means that every month compared to last year, between January 23 all the way to April 23, there was less sales when comparing the same month to last year. What does that mean? It's pretty obvious. The lower interest rates, the rate pause, has caused this increase in confidence in the amount of sales. It's interesting to know what's going to happen now that the Bank of Canada raised the benchmark rate by 25 basis points. It's very interesting. I mean, we'll definitely have an update on that regard in our June market update next month. But for now, the market is, as I said, heating up. It is an increased amount of sales, increased in the average sale price as well when compared to every single month all the way from December of last year. When talking about prices, the average sale price is still lower than it was at this time last year, but the gap is a lot less than what we saw, for example, at the beginning of the year. When comparing the same month, May 22, May 23, there's a difference on the freehold side of things of about 6% lower pricing on average. And on the condominium side, around the same, between 6 and 7%. That delta was about 15%, almost 20%. If you compared the peak of February 22nd till December 22nd. So that gap in average sale price has actually gotten a lot smaller as we head into, as we got into the busier months in the spring of 23rd. As I said it before, one of the main driving factors for this is inventory. We have seen inventory levels go up recently, but over the last 2 months, as a lot of buyers that are watching this might know, there's not a lot of options to choose from. And that is one of the main drivers that has been driving the pricing since 2020, even before the pandemic. Inventory and supply. That's the biggest issue that we have. So until supply, until we get an adequate amount of supply, I think we're going to see that upward pressure in pricing. We are seeing more coming to market now, and typically we see inventory levels peak in the summer months, your July, August. That's when you typically see inventory levels peak. At least for the last few years, that's how it's been. So going into the summer market, we are expecting a more balanced market compared to the last few months. There's still opportunities on both sides. With the right strategy, you can still, get a good deal when buying or get a good price when selling. You have to get advice early on. That's our best advice. To dive a little bit deeper into the inventory situation, for the month of May, we had approximately 2,900 new listings hitting the market compared to about 3,200 in May of last year. That's a decrease that's, again, marking that upward pressure in pricing that we've seen. We're still under the 5-year average, but going into the month of June, July, I think we're going to see more inventory hitting the market. I think we're going to have more days on, our days on market will go up, and our months of inventory will go up as well. So something to keep an eye out for. The market changes every single week. It's important to, of course, stay updated, with these market updates. Talk to your realtor, talk to a professional. If you're looking at getting into the market, obviously we're available. We're a call away. Leo again here with Good Story. Until next time.